Sha, sha, shefele. Sha, sha, baby. Chevre, did you ever know that this gorgeous state-of-the-art Mega Baby store is considered the most congested area retail store for Bugaboo? That means they sell the most Bugaboo carriages in a congested area, as per Bugaboo. So this is it, Chevre. We're here in that store. Mega Babies, state-of-the-art store. I don't know where to start, Chevre. Gorgeous. Vime kikdu, you just want to buy everything for your baby, for your niece, for your nephew, for your schwägerin. This is amazing beyond. So lass mal rein, Chevre. Es kommt Pesach. Pesach, jeder kauft eine neue Sachen, like Yom Tiv. Geh mal kick, Chevre. Gorgeous, gorgeous blankets. Every color, every style, every type. Stunning blankets. Stunning gift boxes. Because I'm to find them. Gorgeous, gorgeous gift boxes they have over here. So shine. This is the newest style. It's the knitted style. It went out. It's back in. You could have pleasure and pretty together. The blanket is a gorgeous blanket. Feel the outside is soft. And from the inside you have the furry touch so the kid is comfortable. And the mama out to shine auch. So the kid doesn't have to suffer for beauty. It says herrlich in, feels yummy. The company name is Hibernate. Hibernate. Gorgeous, gorgeous new state-of-the-art blanket. Also do state-of-the-art. For babies, you do state-of-the-art. Let me think about changing the car seats, the bugaboos. Mit alles. So you have over here new inserts with a nice color, a nice chiddish. You could just buy a new, for the carriage, a new insert. In das ist vacuum and das ist aufspitzen. It's very good for Pesach now. It's in Pesach. It's mamash a chiddush that I think is a must for every carriage. Car seats, every style, every shape. For große Kinder, for kleine babies, toddlers, noch car seats, every type. Beautiful car seats. Hast du mal gewiss, dass du so viel mine pacifier holders? Kein nein, every style, every type. Mit Asumi, unatsumi. Jetzt kommt der Zimmer jetzt. You want a nice rocker for the baby, mit a net so the flies and mosquitoes can get to the baby. Beautiful. However, the Pesach is still going to be pretty chilly outside. Make sure you have a cozy blanket. As we walk to the schwieger of Pesach, the baby comfortable. Every accessory, every single accessory a baby needs, from English to Meidlich. They got you covered. Even the string from Rucheli Maini, the red bendela they have too here. However, basically this is a shopping mall for a baby. Look at these gorgeous cradles. Cradles to cribs. This is a brand new style cradle. Herrlich, gorgeous. Stunning, stunning stuff. Again, more blankets. Toys galore for babies. Alamina toys. Cute mobiles. Baby mobiles. A van full from linen to all different type of linen for cribs. And for carriages. Lass mich was nach Chiddisch geben, da kommt Pesach. Jeder weiß, wird ein ganzen schmutzig, and to clean off a baby's high chair is from the hardest stuff. Doing it with a cover. You buy it over here. They have a whole stack of covers there. Comes like this. You just pop it on top. In Pesach, some side of the guy, man. Let me think, was alle mine Shabbos. Look at this. Look at the Shabbos bibs, Pesach bibs, Arba Koises, Matzah bibs. Look at Pesach, alle mine bibs for your babies. Kevin, what should I tell you? It's worth the coming from Monsey Lakewood for this store, because you don't have this anywhere. Stunning, stunning store. You have a special promotion going down now, Kevin. If you buy for $100 in the store and you mention Perlowitz, you get a free Mega Babies clip for the carriage. This is a great item, Kevin. A clip for the carriage. You go using our Pesach. But they have a website as well, Kevin. So, Kevin, order here on the website and same day delivery in the whole entire Brooklyn, Kevin. Look at this stuff. How can you not order these? Look over the Yom Tov. Gorgeous. Look over the Yom Tov. Same day delivery. Noch a Sach is, alright, Authorized Service Center. They have all the carriages covered from all the brand name, from Doona to Bugaboo and everything, but they also have something special that nobody has. They fix the carriages. They're Authorized Service Center. Downstairs, they have the Authorized Service Center here. Alright, Chavre, do them downstairs in the Authorized Service Center. So you do this all day?
Yeah, almost every day.
Wow, so people bring their Doonas, what other carriages do you have?
What other carriages we have?
Do you service?
Butterflies, kangaroos, dragonflies, side Yeah.
Wow. So any issue? What's the issue over here? What are you fixing here?
Well, I'm about to fix the handlebar. It's a little
Shaky?
broken. Yeah, and broken.
That's really cool. So this is a special Doona.
Special do tools.
What do you mean, the tools are from Doona?
Are they from?
That is so cool. That's a Doona toolbox. Guys, look at that. The actual Doona toolbox. That is authorized and he fixes Doonas. That is so cool. I never even knew that. The Mega Baby is the authorized service center for Doona and all the big brand name companies.
Yeah.
Very cool. Kevin, I never knew that. So if you have a Doona or Bugaboo and anything that's, you know, not the way it should be, this is the place to bring it in. Authorized to fix Doonas. Alle get große carriages. Nice. Legit. Oh, I didn't know that's a feature. I knew that Doona has a lot of features, but that the handle comes off.
Yep.
Oh wow, look at that. Oh, new handle. A new handle over here, Kevin. What's the most common carriage you guys fix over here?
Well, from Bugaboo, butterflies, dragonflies.
So that was the most common.
Yeah.
So you got the Bugaboo Fox, the Dragonfly, the Bugaboo.
Yep.
Nice, nice, beautiful. All right, good job.
Thank you.
This is something I never knew, that you guys have in Mega Babies, a full authorized servicing center.